How to make a great Bumble profile. An interesting and accurate Bumble profile will attract the types of matches you're actually looking for, help you stand out in a sea of other daters, and show off your unique personality. Of course, that's easier said than done, but we can help. Here's how to make a really great Bumble profile that will set you apart from the rest. 1. Write a good bio. Yes, we know, writing a Bumble bio is not an easy feat. You want it to be funny, eye-catching, and memorable, all in a matter of 1 or 2 sentences. But it doesn't have to be hard. Just pick 1 or 2 facts about yourself that entice someone to want to learn more about you. Try to find a fact or detail that is unique to you. 2. Be honest. If you really want to make the most of online dating, whether you're looking for something casual or you're ready to settle down, it's important to be honest about everything. Don't make a profile based on what you think somebody wants to read. Make a profile based on what you like, what you want, who you actually are, and what you're looking for in a partner. 3. Be sincere. When someone's online dating profile is disingenuous, you can spot it from a mile away, and nobody wants to match with a faker. Listen to your gut, be truthful about what you write, and trust that the algorithm will show you people who meet your criteria. Be yourself and the rest will fall into place as it should. 4. Make convo easy. Listing your likes and dislikes is fine, but a great Bumble profile is a little outside the box. Ask a question in your bio or reveal an unpopular opinion in your profile. If you give potential matches a reason to reach out, plus a built-in icebreaker, they will. Make it easy for them to carry on a conversation with interesting details. 5. Link your social media profiles. Are you hilarious on Twitter? Do you live on Instagram? Show it. Not only does it put potential matches at ease to know that you're a real person, but it also helps show off your personality in ways that can't be captured within the limits of an online dating profile. It's a way to create more of an impression of you and showcase some fun parts of your life too. 6. Choose good pics. Matches want to get a sense of who you are, and your photos are one of the most obvious ways of doing this. Choose recent photos, with good lighting that represents a range of your interests or activities. Be sure not to be wearing a hat and/or sunglasses in a majority of your photos, and avoid too many group shots. They're on your profile to find out more about you. 7. Don't be afraid to humble brag. You're a catch, and everybody should know it. But they won't know unless you tell them. Don't be afraid to talk about your accomplishments, highlight your best features, and show off what makes you special in your profile. You don't want to come off like you're bragging, but it is important to put some time into how you present yourself. Sell yourself. If you want to know more, then click on the link in the description below, or visit datingwins.com. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the new dating wins? In that case, like, share, and click the subscribe button for more dating wins.